Video, I'm going to show you how you can register a domain name for free for your website. Hi everyone, I'm Myra Roldan. I'm a technologist and an instructional designer. Over the past 20 years, I've worked with Fortune 500 companies and Fortune 100 companies to help them integrate emerging technologies into their course designs. Today I'm going to show you a service that allows you to register a free domain that you can use for your website or for a course that you may be offering. So let's get to it. So let's begin by giving you a high-level explanation of what a domain name actually is. So if you think of your website as a house or your kind of home, holds all your content. The domain name is your home address, so people know how to find you. And so it's also the address that people will enter into the search bar here in a web browser, this right here. Today we're going to be using Freenom, and you can go to myfreenom.com or freenom.com and follow along with this, or you can do it after I walk you through this service. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to register for an account. If you have a Google account, you can use Google to just sign in automatically. It works beautifully. Or you can use your email address to create an account. Once you're logged in, you're going to be directed to this page here. And Freenom has this DNS service here, and I'll do a separate video on how this works and the benefits of it. But let's actually just focus on registering a domain name for free. So you're going to click on services up here, and you're going to go to register a new domain and click on that. And it's going to take us to just a regular search page for domain names. So I want to register my name as a domain without the .com. I already own the .com and I paid for that. So I just want to do a free version of this, and I'm going to check availability here. I can either register all of these extensions or these domains, a .tk, .ml, or I can just do one. Today I'm just going to do the .tk. I'm going to click on Get Now. And then I'm going to go to check out to my cart. Okay, so here I have some options. So the first one is the period. So this is how long this domain name is registered for. So I can register it for free for up to 12 months, which is a year, which is silly. So don't do a year for $9.95 when you can register it for 12 months for free. Or I can do it for longer and pay for that domain. With Freenom, you can actually renew your domain within a month of expiration, so you can always keep it for free. So I'm going to click on 12 months. And then here, you can either update the DNS that it's going to go to. So if we click on Use DNS, this is a little bit more advanced, and you need some records that you would get from your website. But we're going to just do this forwarding because this is straightforward. So when you forward a domain name, what's going to happen is anytime anyone enters myraroldan.tk, they're going to be taken to whatever website I put here. This is where we come into use cases for these free domain names. One use case could be, you have a WordPress.com website that you're using, and your domain name is mywebsite.wordpress.com. That's a lot for people to enter. I mean, it's not really, but it's, if you want to shorten that, a lot of people will use Bitly, but this is a little bit more professional because it has your full name. You can register your name or your last name or your business name. If you're using a website that you built with Wix, you might also have like your website.wix.com, and people can just go to like yourname.tk instead. So I'm going to forward this to my Weebly, which I have populated here, and I'm just going to click continue. And because I'm registering this for free, there is no charge. I'm going to accept the terms and then complete order here. And that's it. So now it's going to take a few minutes for that actually to populate and forward to my IP address. So I will give this a second and come back. It's been about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go open a new tab and I'm going to type myraroldan.tk and enter. And there you go. So it's forwarding to my Weebly page and we are all set. So if you have questions about this, please post them below. I'll post a link to freenom.com so you can go through it yourself. And they also have an FAQ section where you can find out more about their services.